Hi everyone, mad weather again. Blue skies as you can see behind 1 minute and then massive rainstorms the next. So it's hard to nip in and out doing things. We're going to be doing making a little cold frame for my daughter, picking up some free wood from Facebook Marketplace locally, which is always a nice little bonus. I'm going to try and make an extension to our raised beds with the frame that I'm picking up today. Absolutely drenched, picking up some free wood from Facebook Marketplace. These strops are always a bugger to get off. You're meant to pull this back and it's meant to release it, but it never works that easy. Oh, for bugger. Every time I use them, it's the same. This so-called quick release doesn't fucking work. Yay! Finally got it. When in doubt, use a hammer. Come on, you bastard. In theory, yay! I hate these things. It's always such a struggle. Yep, get the other bits of wood out from inside it. I'll tell you, Facebook Marketplace, it's fantastic. The stuff people get rid of. So one of the many jobs that I've got to do is make a little cold frame. Now I've got an old bit of plastic over there I'm going to try and use as the lid, and then I'll make a wooden frame to go around it. Never know. This, oh, this is the old bit that we've had for donkey's years in the garden. So what I'm going to do is try and make a frame that fits around here, probably lift it maybe a foot off the ground, something like that, and see if we can make it a tool for sowing in spring. So we're looking at outside edge 113 by 49. 113, was it 113? Yes, 113 by 48 and a half. Just chop back the palm as well. There were some low branches that were covering the raised bed and covering the rosemary, etc. So it gives them a bit more light and air. So this was probably an old decking area, but it's all treated wood. And I don't think it's been down that many years. But rather than take it apart, I was wondering whether I could keep it because of the shape and put it down the side of the existing raised bed, which I've got to redo anyway. So it would be like an L shape down the side there. Yeah, why not? Like and share if you can. We'll probably break this up into a few few different episodes, because that raised bed we've got to take apart is quite a task. Stay happy, stay well, and we'll see you next time.